Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing? Yes, I want to share this a quick video with us. If you are new in the channel, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment and share. Tell me what you think about this video. It is a breaking news that the DOS have given up in attacking PM. You know, all this while they have been calling him Ekpa this, Ekpa that, Wapoda in Finland, that thing in Finland. A lot of nonsense names they have given to him. It is very clear now that they have, because I had the rumor 2 days ago and I thought it is just a joke. It had been confirmed. I went to their channels, many of their platforms, I went there to check to confirm if it's true, and I found out that it is true. Most of them who cannot pass, spend one day without mentioning that criminal and all that, they have ceased to attack Simon Ekpa for long now, and I don't know why. The reason best known to them, I just want to know if you have any information and the reason why they choose not to further the attack. Have they succumbed? What is that? What is going on? Have they given up or what? Anyway, I don't want to make this video to be too long. I just want to bring this update for you so you understand that the only thing that lasts is honesty and truth. You don't push lie forever. If there's a time you push it and it will fade away. That is what happened now, and hopefully it is for good. Hopefully it's not going to be like was rigged, the one he did before the kidnap of Master Madakan, where he came out and said that he's supporting anyone who is fighting for the freedom, whether violent or not violent and all that. After making that comment and that video, after few weeks, or let me say just few weeks plus, then I don't know if it's a month or more than a month, because I can't remember the actual date, how long it took before they kidnapped Master Modicano. I'm not saying that Wazuke is involved in the kidnapping of Master Modicano. What I'm saying is that you can never know what happened behind the scene. So until it's well verified before we can bring it out. But for now, this is the update. DOS members have stopped to attack Simon Ekpa. The reason is not yet out. But for me, anyone who is working with PM should know that this kind of sudden giving up of DOS is suspicious. You don't know. Maybe there's a plan. You don't know. Maybe they have something behind that, but time will tell. Anyway, I promise you that I will bring you a video of one of our brother who was interviewed somewhere in Lagos. Let's hear what he have to say, because that video couldn't play then when I was streaming live. I want you to hear what he said. Let me just play it. Look at the video here.
Do you support the IPB pilot, autopilot?
I'm fully in support of IPOB autopilot.
And the way they carry out their activities?
No struggle for independence that is smooth. No struggle for independence, for freedom that is a gentleman business. Go all over the world. It always be rugged.
Is Nigeria at war?
Nigeria is not at war. The South people are dying.
Which is true.
Nigeria is not at war, but in Biafra land the people are dying. Nigeria is not at war, but in Middle Belt, the Plateau people are dying. In Kaduna, people are dying. And Nigeria is not in war. What is killing them? Is it a natural disaster killing them? What is killing them? Is it bird flu is killing them? What is killing them? Is it Sh0cking?
There's insecurity, the activities of the IPOB and also ESN.
IPOB and ESN become insecurity.
The activities.
People that are fighting for themselves. People are fighting for their liberation. What of the bandits? What of the Fulani herdsmen? What are they? And you are asking me whether are we in war? What will remain again? It's only one drone and fighter will be roaming in the air. It's only when we hear catching. Before you know that we are at war. Is that time we know we are at war?
He said Biafra will be declared October this year in Finland.
Whatever possible for we to get our freedom, let it be. Whatever possible.
Whatever means.
Possible. Whether you declare it in Finland, whether you declare it in the moon, whether you declare it in the sun, whether you declare it in the Biafra land, all I know is Biafra freedom.
And we need to carry Ohanese and other people along in this Biafra struggle.
Who are the Ohanese? Who are those Ohanese and Liberibe? Who are they? Ohanese. How will you carry your enemy along? Your enemy.
They're asking for the release of Nnamdi Kanu.
Forget about, we put Nnamdi Kanu where he is. Ohanese and will make this to be worst in Biafra land. Okay, look at him now, though. When he was the president general of Ohanese, he said, if Biafra and Nigeria will start war now, he will turn to Bisabo. He said with his own mouth.
That's what he said.
He said with his own mouth that he will turn to Bisabo against Biafrans. He said, open mouth and say, whosoever should touch the Fulani should first of all kill him before the people touch Fulani. He said so. No, I want to say so. And people like this, people want Biafra to carry along in Biafra. Biafra to carry along in something of Biafra. Then which means you want Biafra to die totally. You want Biafra to die completely.
What is the grand plan? I don't understand. Why all this? It seems the Fulani tribe is the only tribe in Nigeria that enjoys going about to kill.
Because Constitution permitted them.
I don't understand.
Constitution permits them. Even in the Nigerian Constitution, it's only one section that have right to carry gun, which are the Fulanis.
Your God will make you
which are the Fulanis. It's in the Constitution. That is why whenever you say change the Constitution, they will tell you no. When they do something, they say Constitution give them right, and they give them right. Constitution of 1999 is a constitution of suicide constitution. Abdul Salam, retired General Abdul Salam Constitution of 1999 is a constitution of what? Genocide constitution. It's a constitution of squad killing. It's a constitution of no mercancy.
How will the constitution support people going about killing other persons? How?
Now, go and build the paper of constitution. Go and purchase one of the constitution. Then go into.
I know that there is Sharia law.
There is Sharia.
But there's no constitution that says that you must kill.
Okay, Sharia law. Why should Sharia law exist? When we say we are secular state, the Sharia law permit them to do what they are doing because they are defending their religion.
Okay. Okay. Lastly, what is your message to Biafrans?
My message to Biafra is that we should stand firmly. We should focus. I mean, not Biafra, the real Biafrans.
No. Let's have it clear.
Excuse me, we have Biafra afraid. Like Ohanese and Igbo. We have Biafra afraid. Like Igbo politicians. We have Biafra afraid. Like traditional rulers. We have Biafra afraid. DOS. We have Biafra afraid. DOS. Those who sold the Nnamdi Kanu. But what I'm saying Biafran of Simon Ekpa. I'm saying Biafrans of autopilot, indigenous people of Biafra. Those who are fighting for the re-release of Nnamdi Kanu. Those who are fighting really for restoration of Biafra. They should focus on what they are doing. They should not allow something to come and distract them. They should not allow the judgment of Supreme Court to distract them. They should focus and believe in Jesus Christ. They should focus and pray.
So you have heard it all. Thank you so much for watching the video. I just decided to share it with you so you understand that the message is penetrating, going far. This is a man who is not even abroad. He's not part of the Biafran government in exile, just like I myself. But we all are Biafran. We are taking for freedom. We don't want our, to lose our life in the hands of bandits and terrorists. We are trying our best to make sure that everything works perfectly for every one of us. It does not mean that we hate any region or any tribe in Nigeria. What it means is that we are fighting for survival. Anyway, don't forget to like the video, comment and share. Tell me what you think about this video. I hope to see you on my next video. Bye bye for now. Take care of yourself.